this, we need a dissecting tray, a pair of scissors, some forceps, a magnifying glass, and a scalpel. Pour some chloroform on a cotton wool and put the wool into a container to kill the rat. Put the rat inside the container. When the rat is fully unconscious, we can put the rat onto the dissecting tray. Then, pin the limbs on the dissecting tray. Lift the rat's skin with forceps. Make a small cut on the skin. Continue the incision and then pin the skin onto the dissecting tray. When the muscle layer is also pinned down, we can locate the organs and take them out, and then put it on a cardboard. Pour some chloroform on a cotton wool and put the wool into a container to kill the frog. When the frog is fully unconscious, we can put the frog onto the dissecting tray, then pin the limbs on the dissecting tray. Make the first incision on the skin along the center of the frog to bisect it. Pick up the flaps of skin with the forceps. Lift the muscle layer with forceps. Using scissors, make the incision up the midline just below the front legs. If the eggs are in the way, lift it with forceps and place them to the side. Locate the organs and take them out carefully and put it on a cardboard for display. Now it's time to dissect the fish. Open the operculum and remove the gills on one side of the fish.